Hello students, we are solving chapter number 6, problems on quadratic equations. Okay, question number 25 we have 29 we have completed in the last video. So let us start question number 30 onwards. Let us read the question. Okay, rupees 6400 were divided equally among X persons. Had this money been divided equally among X plus 14 persons, each would have got rupees 28 less. Find the value of X. Here we are given total money to be divided, which is equal to, notice that 6400. Okay, number of persons is given to be X. Clear? Then therefore amount received by each person will be obviously total amount divided by number of persons, that is 6400 upon X. Okay, suppose if the number of persons increase by 14, then there will be X plus 14 persons. Okay, in that case amount received by each person will be 6400 upon X plus 14. You are given the difference received in both the cases. Okay, difference in the amount received by each person is 28 rupees. That is when the number of persons was X and when the number of persons is X plus 14. Obviously, when the number of persons was X, each person would be getting rupees 28 more. Okay, so 6400 upon X is greater than 6400 upon X plus 14. Therefore we will take the difference 6400 upon X minus 6400 upon X plus 14 is equal to 28. Okay, now we will simplify this equation by cross multiplying, taking LCM in the denominator X into X plus 14. Then X plus 14 will be multiplied with 28. So we are getting the equation. Okay, on simplification we will get minus 28x square minus 392x plus 89600 is equal to 0. Then taking minus 1 common, we will have 28x square plus 32x minus 89600. Again we can take 28 common. Okay, no need to write two steps, even in single step you can show. So let us remove this step, there is no need. Clear? Okay, now okay, we have to find two factors of 3200 such that the difference is 14. So let us find out the two factors. Okay, 3200 is 32, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32, and 100 is 5 5 the 25 into 4. Okay, so 16 16 5 the 80. Okay, that will increase. 5 5 are 25, 2s are 15, 5 5 are 25, 2s are 50. Okay, so 64 and 50 are the two factors. So we can write this next as it is, as x square plus, we have two factors, 64x minus 50x minus 3200 equals 0. Okay, now taking x common from the first term, we have x plus 64. Okay, minus 50 we can take common from the next last two terms, and we will have x plus 64. Yes or no? Yes, equals 0. Okay, now x plus 64 into x minus 50 equals 0. Okay, and therefore x plus 64 equals 0, or x minus 50 equals 0, and therefore x is equals to minus 64, or x is equal to 50. Obviously x is equal to 50 will be the answer, since neglecting okay, therefore neglecting x is equals to minus 64. Okay, and therefore the number of persons is, therefore the number of persons is 50. So there are 50 persons. Clear? So we have got the answer. Value of x is 50. So with this, question number 30 is also over. Now let us start question number 31. Okay, in question number 30, this is the first one we have completed. Now let us solve the second question. Okay, question number 31, second number. Okay, in this question, it is given that rupees 7500 were divided equally among a certain number of children. Okay, let there be x children. Okay, let there be x children. Okay, total amount to be divided is given to be rupees 7500. Okay, and therefore amount received by each child will be obviously 7500. Amount received will be 7500 upon x. 7500 upon x. Okay, then further you are given that if there been 20 less children, so if the number of children is 20 less, that is x minus 20, in that case, okay, amount received by each child would have been obviously 7500 upon x minus 20. Yes or no? Okay. And it is given that each would have received rupees 100. Okay. Each would have received rupees 100 more. So difference is given, that is rupees 100. So obviously 7500 upon x is greater than 7500 upon x minus 20. Sorry, 7500 upon x minus 20 is greater than 7500 upon x. So our equation will be 7500 upon x minus 20 minus 7500 upon x, which is equal to 100. Okay, now let us simplify. So the next step is 7500 multiplied by x minus 7500 into x minus 20 upon x into x minus 20, okay, which is equal to 100. So the next step will be 7500 x minus 7500 x minus minus plus 7500 into 20 if you do. So 75 twos is 150. Yes or no? So 150 and 3 more zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, upon x square upon x square minus 20x, okay, which is equal to 100. Again, okay, 7500x minus 7500 upon x will get cancelled, so we are left with 15000. Okay, so now let us simplify the equation. 7500 minus 7500x. We 7500x minus 7500x will get cancelled, so we are left with 15. 15000 equals 100 x square minus 100 into 2, so 2000 x. Okay, transposing the terms on the left side, minus 100 x square plus 2000 x plus 15000 equals 0. Okay, taking minus 100 common, we can write x square minus, if you take 100 common, we are left with 20x minus 1500 is equal to 0. Now factorize, find two factors of 1500 such that the difference is 20. So 5 3s and 400, 5 into 5 into 4, 60. It will not do. Okay, so 4 can be further factorized as 2 into 2. 5 3s are 15. Yes, 30 into 50. Yes or no are the two factors. So x square minus two factors of 50, 50x and 30x. 50x and okay plus 30x minus 1500 equals 0. Okay, now taking x common, x minus 50 plus taking 30 common, x minus 50 equals 0. Therefore x minus 50 into bracket x plus 30 equals 0. Okay, therefore x minus 50 equal to 0 or x plus 30 equal to 0. Therefore, we can write that x is equal to 50. Obviously, since neglecting x is equal to minus 30. Clear? Okay, and therefore the value of x we have got to be 50. So in both the cases, in the first case also value of x was 50 and in the second case also the value of x is 50 only. Okay, now let us solve the next question, that is question number 31. Okay, what is there? Let us read the question. A shopkeeper buys X books for rupees 720. Okay, you are given the cost of X books. So let us write down here cost of X books is given to be rupees 720. Okay, we have to write the cost of one book in terms of X. Okay, so we will write down cost of one book in terms of x will be equal to obviously 720 upon x. Clear? Okay, now if the cost per book be rupees 5 less. Okay, so if the cost of one book is rupees 5 less, okay, then cost of one book will be equal to 720 upon x minus 5. Yes or no? Okay. This equation we will write in this way. It is given if the cost of one book is rupees 5 less, then you are getting for 722 books more. Okay, then the books bought for rupees 720 is 2 more. So in that case the equation will be uh, therefore the books obtained for rupees 720 will be equal to obviously 720 upon x x plus 2. This is the new number of books obtained. Okay, and the difference of cost is rupees 5. Yes or no? You are given the difference of the cost to be rupees 5, and therefore now we will write down or we will frame the equation. Okay, we will frame the equation now. Obviously 720 upon x plus 2 is a smaller value. Yes or no? And therefore 720 upon x minus 720 upon x plus 2 will be equal to 5. Now we can simplify this equation. Okay, so 720 into x plus 2 minus 720x upon x into x plus 2 equals 5. Okay, and therefore okay, therefore 720x plus 720 to the 1440 minus 720x equals 5 into bracket x square plus 2x. Okay, and therefore 720x minus 720x will get cancelled. So we have 1440 is equal to 5x square plus 5 to the 10x. Okay, now let us transpose the two terms on the left. So minus we have minus 5x square minus 10x plus 1440 is equal to 0. Okay, now taking minus 5 common, we can write x square plus 5 to the so 2x minus 1440 divided by 1 divided by 5. Yes or no? So here 10 is there. 2 there. So 288 here is equal to 0. Okay, now find two vectors of 288 such that the difference is 2. 18 16 yes or no? We have 18 16 so plus 18x minus 16x minus 288 equals 0. Okay, taking x common, x plus 18 minus 16 common, x plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 16 into bracket x plus 18 equals 0. Therefore x minus 16 equal to 0, or x plus 18 equal to 0. Therefore the value of x will be, therefore x is equal to 16, since neglecting x is equal to minus 18. Okay, so value of x we have got to be 16. Yes or no? So we have completed question number 31. Okay, now we will solve question number 32. Okay, done. Okay, now let us solve question number 32 of your textbook. What is the question? Let us read the question first. A fruit seller bought X apples for rupees 1200. Okay, here you are given the cost of X apples is rupees 1200. Okay, obviously, therefore, cost of one apple will be 1200 upon x. Clear? This is the cost of one apple. Okay, now it is given that if 10 apples were rotten, yes or no? If 10 apples were rotten, okay, it is given that he sold each of the rest, means remaining apples. So number of remaining apples will be equal to, obviously there were x apples, so now x minus 10. This is the number of remaining apples. Now it is given that he sold each at rupees 3 more than the cost price. Okay, so SP selling price of each of x minus 10 apples is Okay, that is 3 more than the cost price. So this will be the SP of one apple. Okay, each of x minus 10 apples. Okay, now profit is given. Okay, what is the profit? Profit is given to be rupees 60. Yes or no? He made a 60 rupees profit in the transaction. So obviously we have therefore SP minus CP is equal to profit, and therefore SP will be x minus 10 into, okay, we have SP x minus 10 into 1200 upon x plus 3, okay, is equal to, sorry, minus cost price is 1200, yes or no, is equal to 60. Here SP minus CP is equal to 60. Now let us simplify the two equations. Okay, now x minus 10 into another bracket we have 1200 plus 3x Okay, so we have 1200 plus 3x upon x minus 1200 is equal to 60. Okay, further simplifying, x minus, okay, x minus 10 into 1200 plus 3x minus 1200x is equal to 60x. Okay, now let us further simplify. Therefore, okay, so let us multiply. Therefore, we have 1200x plus 3x square minus 12,000 minus 30x minus 1200x is equal to 60x. Now plus 1200x plus 1200x and minus 1200x will get cancelled. So next step will be 3x square Okay, 60x will transpose on the left side, so minus 60 minus 30 will be minus 90x. Okay, minus 12,000 is equal to 0. Now taking 3 common, we have x square x square minus 30x minus 4,000 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us find two factors of 4,000 such that the difference is 30. Obviously, the two factors will be we want 4,000, so two factors will be 80 and 50. 80x minus 50x will be 30x, yes or no? So x square minus 80x plus 50x minus 4,000 is equal to 0. Therefore, x common, x minus 80 into, sorry, plus 50 common, x minus 80 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 80 is equal to 0, or x plus 50 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 80, since neglecting x is equal to minus 50. Okay, so the value of x is 80. That is the correct answer. Okay, now let us solve the next question, that is question number 33. Okay, question number 33. Let us read the question. Okay, some students planned a picnic. The budget for the food was rupees 2400. As 8 of them failed to join the party, the cost of the food of each member increased by 50 rupees. Find how many students went to the picnic. See here, and the budget for the food was total budget was 2400. Suppose the number of students who initially planned to go for a picnic is X. Okay, so let the number of students be X. Let X be the original number of students. Okay, total budget for food was rupees 2400. Okay, and therefore cost for each member, we can find out cost for each member will be equal to, obviously, 2400 divided by x. Clear? Okay, now it is given that 8 students failed to join the party. It is given that 8 students failed to 8 students failed to join the party. Okay, in that case, number of students will be obviously x minus 8. This is the new number of students. Okay, and therefore now cost for each member. Okay, now cost for each member will be equal to obviously now 2400 is to be divided among x minus 8 persons, yes or no? So this is the new cost for each member. Okay, the difference of the cost is given rupees 50. Okay, difference is given to be rupees 50. Obviously, if less number of members is there, more cost of each member has to pay. So we can now frame the equation in this way. Okay, so 2400 upon x minus 8 minus 2400 upon x is equal to 50. Okay, therefore simplifying 2400 x minus 2400 into x minus 8 upon x into x minus 8 equal to 50. Okay, now let us simplify the numerator. Therefore, okay, 2400 x minus 2400 x minus plus 20, okay, 19200 equal to 50 multiplied by x square minus 8x. Okay, and therefore now 2400 x plus minus will get cancelled. So 19200 equal to 50 x square minus 8x. Okay, let us transpose the two numbers on the right side. So minus 50x square, okay, plus 8x plus 19200 equals 0. Okay, now we can take, okay, we have not multiplied 50 with, it seems, 8, yes or no? So 50 itza will obviously be 400. So let me multiply over here. Okay, this is 400, and here also we will write be 400. Okay, now next step, we'll take minus 50 common. Okay, so if you take minus 50 common, then we can write this equation will be, now after taking minus 50 common, we can write x square minus 8x minus 384. So we have x square minus 8x minus 384 is equal to 0. Now let us factorize. Okay, 384 find two factors such that the difference is 8. So 24 16s are we can write. So x square minus 24x plus 16x minus 384 equals 0. Okay, therefore x common x minus 24 plus 16 common x minus 24 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 24 into bracket x plus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 24 is equal to 0 or x plus 16 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 24 and neglecting x is equal to minus 16. Okay, and therefore the value of x required answer is 24. So we can write down how many students went to the picnic. So obviously 8 we will subtract. Okay, and therefore number of students who went for picnic is 16 obviously, because minus 8 we have to do. Clear? So with this question is over. Yes or no? So this was question number 33. Now one more question is left. So let us complete that question too. Okay, now last question of your textbook exercise, that is question number 34. Okay, a bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Okay, you are given the distance covered by the bus. Okay, distance covered by the bus is given to be 240 kilometers. Okay, let us consider that the speed of the bus be, let the speed of the bus be x kilometer per hour. Okay, it is given that due to heavy rain its speed gets reduced. Okay, due to rain speed of the bus gets reduced by some 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, so therefore new speed will be obviously original minus 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, now okay, when the distance covered by the bus, uh, 240 kilometer distance covered by the bus at the speed of x kilometer per hour. Therefore, time taken in that case we can write down over here. So, time taken by bus will be equal to obviously 240 divided by x hours. Okay, clear? And when the speed is reduced to x minus 10, time taken by bus in this case will be equal to 240 upon x minus 10 hours. Okay, clear? So we have obtained the times taken by the bus at different moving at a different speed. Okay, the difference of time is given 2 hours. Okay, time difference is given to be 2 hours. Okay, and therefore we can subtract the two expressions. The difference is equal to 2. Okay, obviously if the bus will move at a lesser speed, okay, the time taken will be more. So 240 upon x minus 10 minus 240 upon x equal to 2. Okay, this is one equation. Now let us further simplify. Therefore, okay, 240x minus 240 into x minus 10 upon x into x minus 10 equal to 2. Okay, therefore 240x, okay, therefore 240x minus 240x minus minus plus 2 240 into 10 2400 is equals to 2 into x square minus 10x. Okay, let us further simplify. 240x plus minus will get cancelled, so 2400 is equal to 2x square minus 10 to the 20x, transposing terms on the right side to the left side, minus 2x square, okay, plus 20x plus 2400 is equal to 0, taking minus 2 common from the three terms. Okay, so we can write uh, the equation as x square minus 10x minus 1200 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us find out two factors of 1200 such that the difference is 10. So obviously 40 30 is a, so we have x square minus 40x plus 30x minus 1200 is equal to 0. Therefore, x common x minus 40 plus 30 common x minus 40 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 40 into bracket x plus 30 equals 0. Therefore, x minus 40 equals 0 or x plus 30 equals 0. Therefore, x is equal to 40 since neglecting x is equal to minus 30 and therefore the value of x required value is 40. Clear? So this was the last question, yes or no, of this chapter, and I hope you have understood all the questions very well. For any doubts you can get back to me. Okay, take care, goodbye.